HTML sounds fancy, right? But it's simpler than you think. Let's dive in, beginner style. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the backbone of your favorite websites. Think of it as the structure of a house. Now, let's talk variables. In programming, variables store data values. Imagine them as boxes with labels. You can put different things in these boxes like numbers, text, or even links. Next up, data types. These are the kinds of stuff you can put in your boxes. Common types include strings like hello world, numbers like 42, and booleans, which are like light switches, true or false. So, to sum it up, HTML is your house's framework, variables are labeled boxes, and data types are the goodies inside. Easy, right? Stay tuned for more coding fun.